What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is so nice today. It's early in the morning, currently like 7:30. I'm walking down to the Diablo East boat ramp right now, and I'm going to be testing out a theory that I've had for quite some time. I'm going to be fishing specific locations, some spots that people don't really catch fish. I mean, I've never caught fish there. I never really see any people fish there, but I have a theory. I have a theory that I'm going to test out today that I've thought about for a while now, and I haven't tested it out. I've just been in my comfort zone, fishing the usual, fishing the same bait, the same type of stuff. So I'm going to be fishing kind of the same type of stuff, same type of area, but I'm specifically trying out this bait to see if my theory is true. Anyways, I'll explain once I get out on the water, but right now I'm heading down there. Gonna make another video for y'all. I'm trying to grind it out, trying to upload at least every 5 days. Hopefully y'all are enjoying the videos. But with that being said, let's get to it. Story is, when I was younger, my brother used to fish a lot. He would always catch fish, and the only thing he would use was a watermelon red lizard. That's all he would use, that's all he would stick to. So a while back, it got me thinking, why would he always catch so many fish on that one specific bait? As I fished so many ledges, a lot of people fish stuff that mimics bait fish, jerk baits, crankbaits, stuff like that. I've seen another food source, which is lizards. Lizards is a pretty big food source for Lake Amistad, and I think a lot of people don't know that, but they consist of being around ledges. I caught my PB, or not my PB, but close to my PB, like a 5-pounder off a ledge using a frog, and that's pretty close to a lizard. And as soon as it dropped, I mean, he ate it. My theory is that if I fish around ledges, walls, stuff like that with this lizard, there's gonna be big fish hanging out. That's most likely their food source. The bigger fish, lizards around ledges, not a lot of people use it. So that's kind of, I've just been thinking about it for way too long that I haven't tried it out. So let's test it out today. Let's put the theory to test, see if we can slay them. I'm here right now at this ledge where I caught 3 fish in the tournament. I have a fish on. I didn't realize it. Oh my gosh. Feels like a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. First fish of the day. Get over here, buddy. There you go. First fish of the day, everyone, on the lizard. That doesn't mean my theory is correct yet. Oh. Hey, chill out, buddy, chill out. This guy's camera shy. First fish of the day, not a giant. I will take it nevertheless. I didn't know I had a fish on. I was like trying to mess with the waves. I don't know, I was trying to just like maneuver, and I had him on. I saw my line kind of running, but I didn't think I had a fish. Not bad, I will take it. Gonna go ahead and release this fish. Back in the water he goes before I get banked up. Doing great, buddy. I kind of doubted you for a second there, but we have one so far. Hey Siri, how's it going? The next spot is over there. It's basically the cliffs, and we're gonna try to fish some cliffs. That's another fish right there. He's running towards me. Oh, that's a nice one. That's like a 3. All right, buddy. It's like a 3-pounder. Get in here, buddy. I will take you. Thank you for biting. All right, folks, second fish of the day. That is a long fish. That's maybe like a 16, 17-inch fish. I will take it. I felt him kind of just running with it, and I just set the hook. Not a bad fish. That would definitely help me out in a tournament. It is a long fish, about a 2.5, 3-pounder. I don't think it's a 3, but not bad, guys. We are putting the hammer down in this little area with the lizard. Gonna go ahead and release this fish. Back in the water he goes. All right, second fish of the day. Not too bad, not too shabby. Even though we've caught 2 fish already, basically back to back, that doesn't prove our theory yet. I'm still not convinced that this works, but he did tear up that lizard. He did tear it up pretty bad. That's another fish right there. That's a nice one. That is a nice fish. He's running with it. Alright. Get in there, buddy. Third fish of the day. Currently 8:16. We haven't even been fishing for about an hour. I'd say this bait is doing pretty good. Another decent sized fish. I mean, big fish. Look at that fish right there. Long fish for sure. I'm trying to get out here more in the middle of the lake so the waves won't beat me as bad. Third fish of the day. I will take it. Not bad. Honestly, insane. All right, I'm gonna take a quick thumbnail of this fish and then release him. All right, folks, got enough pictures of this fish. Not bad. Another long fish. 16, 17 incher. Not bad. We've caught 3 fish already in less than an hour. I will take it. I want to head back, try and catch another fish. I might get out of my comfort zone and try a square bill, like a little crankbait. I need to get used to fishing with crankbaits, try something different. So I'm getting out of my comfort zone today and fishing with a lot of new things. Is that a fish? That's a fish on the square bill. On the square bill. Oh, he's got the hooks all over him now. On the square bill, peeps. Nice. I don't like using square bills. I don't like them. Even though I just caught a fish and we were still trash talking it. Nice little fish, not a giant. I will take it nevertheless. Took a little bit to catch that fish on that square bill, but not bad. Fourth fish of the day. I will take it. Gonna go ahead and release this fish back in the water. Not a giant fish, so I wasn't too excited, but I am a little excited that I caught one on the square bill. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. We caught 4 fish in total, 3 on the lizard and 1 on a crankbait. I decided to use crankbait today just to kind of get out of my comfort zone, and it seemed to work out. 1 fish on the crankbait and I lost 1 decent one, which is all right. I mean, I don't really use crankbaits, so kind of a new territory, so I don't mind if I lose a fish here and there. If I was fishing a tournament, that would have been a different story because that was a very nice fish. But I don't know, let me know down in the comments below what you think about the lizard theory. It's kind of like an iffy thing. It could just be like any other bait, but it's kind of been in my head that fish hang around ledges and just eat those lizards when they fall into the water. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. Drop a comment down below for any future video ideas or any theories that y'all may have, and I can try them out. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.
Oh, yeah.